In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule blog posts in WordPress, a fantastic feature for bloggers who want to plan their content in advance. Whether you're prepping for a vacation, a busy work week, or simply want to maintain a consistent posting schedule, the ability to schedule your posts ensures that your content is published when you desire, even if you're not available at that exact moment. Let's dive into the process and make sure your blog runs like a well-oiled machine. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center, where you can control all aspects of your site. From here, you'll either create a new post or edit an existing one. It's entirely up to you whether you have fresh content to introduce or if you wish to adjust the scheduling of something you've already worked on. Once you're working inside the post editor, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. There, you'll find the Post Settings panel, which is critical for managing how and when your content is published. Within this panel, look for the area labeled Status and Visibility. This section is crucial as it handles the timing of your post's publication. Here, you'll see an option that says Immediately next to the word Publish. It might seem like a simple link, but clicking on it opens up a date and time picker. This tool allows you to choose precisely when you want your post to go live. Take a moment to select your desired future date and time. It's an easy process, but pay attention to time zones, especially if you're trying to coordinate posts for an audience that's global or different from your local time. After you've selected the appropriate date and time, you'll notice that the Publish button at the top of the screen has changed to Schedule. It's a visual cue confirming that your post is ready to be scheduled. Once you're confident everything is set correctly, click the Schedule button to lock in your plan. To review any posts you've set up for future publication, you can go to Posts in the main dashboard menu, then click All Posts. Here, you can filter your list by selecting Scheduled, which neatly displays all posts set to go live at a later date. Finally, rescheduling or unscheduling a post is straightforward if your plans change. Simply return to edit the desired post and go back to the date and time picker. You can adjust to a new future date, or if you decide a post should go live immediately, just set it to Now. Once you've made your changes, click Update or Publish as needed, and that's it. By following these steps, you're not only ensuring consistent blog updates, but also gaining control over your content strategy, leaving you more time to focus on what you love, creating great content.